Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing my November Boxycharm base box. My box finally came in, and so I'm going to unbox it here with you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And if you're returning to my channel, I appreciate you. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, so let's start off with my complaint. It's a small complaint. It's not much. My box was late this month. It came on November 20th. They charged my card on November 1st. I received my tracker on November 11th, and then it got on the Canadian side on November 16th and then was delivered on November 20th. Now it's a small complaint because I know it's COVID right now. I know a lot of shipping issues are going on, a lot of product issues as well. And I found that to be the case this month, even with our choices. So every month you have a choice with the Boxycharm to personalize your box in the way you want. I looked at the choices and I wasn't impressed. I think I asked for a surprise just because I really couldn't find anything that I loved, that I was like, yeah, put this in my box. So I made them surprise me with my box item for this month. How Boxycharm works, it's a $25 subscription. That cost is in US dollars, and then it's converted if you are in Canada or whatever country you are in. So I took the base box, which is $25 monthly. My box weight for this month is 1 pound, and that's the box. Pretty basic, nothing much about it. So I'm gonna open the box and see what I got. I kind of put a little peek in before the review, which I told you I would do last month, just in case there are any makeup products inside, and I did that. So I left my face pretty much bare. I did my eyes, just my brows really, and put a base foundation on. So let's open it up. So the theme for this month Boxycharm box is harvest, and that's what the little thing looks like. Again, like last month as well, it kind of gives you a breakdown of what's in the box here and what the cost is for each item. Again, I'm still trying to find out how do you know your version. I see a little 35 in the corner here. I feel like that is the version box, but anyway, let's get into it. First thing that's in my box is, it says lip enhancer. It's called Jouer, which is the brand, I think Jouer, Jouer. Jouer is what it is, which is this guy here. And it says it's from Jouer Cosmetic Lip Enhancer, infused with good for you clean ingredients. Lip Enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmental damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. And it says the retail cost for this is $17, and it says Jouer lip enhancer. Let's open it up. I'm wearing lip gloss right now. I should have maybe taken it off, but that's what this guy looks like. A little packaging, nice to drop in your bag. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like there. I'm going to take what I have off my lips, and then let's put it on. I might have taken out too much just to show you. It feels good though. I think I definitely have too much on, but let's see what else is in there. So the next thing I see is by Murad. Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer for Eyes. So this is an eye cream, of course. Last month we got something from Murad as well, which was the AHA BHA cleanser. I'm still using that cleanser, by the way. I do love it. So let's see what this looks like. So it says Murad. So the little thing says, let's see the explanation. Deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness, gently enough for sensitive skin. So this is what it looks like there. It says the retail cost for this is $70, guys. 70 bucks. Again, last month, I know Murad, I've used this product, their products before. They're not cheap, but they're really, really high-end and really great products. So let's open this and see the consistency of it. Very thick, which is what you want. Obviously very hydrating, especially because it has hyaluronic acid in there. It's definitely going to be hydrating. That's what hyaluronic does. It brings in moisture into your skin. So that it not only brings in moisture, but it holds moisture in place, which is good. And hyaluronic acid is good for any skin type. So again, this cream can be used for anyone. So the next thing that I see in here is some brushes. It's by Moda Metallics, and this is what it looks like here. I want to open it up and feel the texture of it. So the retail cost of this is $15. Okay, so the bristle is quite nice. This is what they look like. This one's more flat like here, and then this one is more of like kind of a buffer for like in these areas like that, and this one's more fine, so you can kind of do up here or like under the eye. It's a little bit too big for under the eye, but if this is all you have to work with, you will be okay. Ooh, okay, so you know, one of the main reasons that I signed up for these boxes were for makeup and skincare. And I know about this because I was watching what other people were getting in their boxes. And I know a lot of people got this product here. Is the Natasha Denona palette here. Let's see what it says. Peak palette. So this is a limited edition palette. I think you only get this palette if you are a Boxycharm member. See, it says a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas. Tone is right up my alley in terms of neutral interest, in terms of a natural look every day. The retail cost for this is $48. So I'm gonna swatch it real quick. Let's put the box down. I'm actually gonna put some on too, guys. So let's swatch it. So the first one I'm gonna swatch, let's see, 5 fingers. Let's start with this guy here. Get a bit out of it. So look at that. Do you see how bright it is? Love that. And so next finger, so let's see, that one is called Aya, I think if I'm doing it right. Aya is the name. And then this peachy kind of tone is called Jasper. So that's the Jasper tone right there. And then the other one is called Thorn, which is this brown one. Let me just swatch it. It's that color there. And then the other one is called Amra. Let's see. Oh, I love that. It's like almost like a pumpkin spice kind of tone. And then the other one is Shine, which is one at the end, which is very, very neutral. Almost like a blendable tone there. Do you see them? Very, very nice. So let's put the palette. Let's see if I can get the palette in there. See it? Very, very nice. I'm gonna clean my hands off, and then I think I'm gonna maybe try some after. So let's get into the next thing in the box. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. The brushes, the Jouer lip enhancer, the Murad, and the Natasha Denona palette. So there should be one more thing in here. And the other thing is, okay, so they put in this Natasha Denona 25% off from the site. And there's like a coupon if you want to buy more stuff. And then the other thing I see in here, it says Esmerella. Oh, I got some makeup on it. I hate that. Esmerella 2 by Beauty Creations. And it's this here, and it is a palette. Let's see what it is. It says Beauty Creations Esmeralda 2. This palette is named after beauty creator CEO and made for a night out on the town. The bold shimmer shades ranging from gold to midnight blue make for the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in this palette as well. It says this goes for $13.99. I would say the most low-key in terms of costing that I've seen, away from the hip dot that was in the package last month. Let's open this guy up. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty, guys. Look at that. I don't know why that top one, oh, it's the shadowing, because that top one almost looked like somebody put their finger in. Do you see like a little shading there? I'm not sure what's happening. But in any case, this is gorgeous. I like that blue. I don't think I would use it very often, but I do like that it's in there. My favorite shades would be like these tones, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Any of these like neutral kind of rose goldy kind of pink tones would be what I am definitely into. So if we look at everything that was in the box this month, I still love it. I still am not in the canceling situation. So far, so good. Box number 2, which is the November box. This is my second box that I'm getting from Boxycharm. I'm still in love with. This is a base box, guys. All this is $25 US. It converts, I think this month it was a little under 40, I think was my conversion for the cost of the box, and that is including with the shipping as well. So I'm gonna tell you what my total would be for the box and let you know. Let's put some of this makeup on. I'm gonna use this brush. Let's figure out what I'm gonna do. Let's see what would work best. Here, let's see if I can do a quick eye look with this. So guys, I'm back. This is the look that I came up with using the Natasha Denona palette. This is what it looks like. So let me just turn this way. Pretty vulgar. I just put on my cheeks just for a little highlight, as you can see there. But this was the basic look. As you can see, it was really quickly, didn't really have to do much. I didn't even get into the Esmeralda palette. I love this so much that I just kept on going. I really wanted to add a little bit of blue under my eyes here, but in the end I just kind of left it. I absolutely love this palette. I love that it's so small, and if you're traveling, you can just kind of grab this. It's so neutral. You can use it in day and you can use it at night. I just loved how this came out, and honestly, Boxycharm blew me away again this month. I have no complaint. Even though it was a little bit late and my review is now late, I'm still very, very, very happy with my box. And again, it's thumbs up for Boxycharm November. I absolutely love the Harvest box. They really did an amazing job. They really knocked it out of the park again this month. So I'm going to continue to see what they send me, but I was really, really happy with my box this month. So this is the end of the video. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for being a part of my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content, which I do every Sunday. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.